Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Samar. We are going to discuss human body in detail. For studying human body, we have four main subjects. The first one is human anatomy, in which we study about the structure of bones, organs, skin, all the body systems. Then we have physiology, in which we study how these organs and body systems work. Next, we have biochemistry, in which we study about the chemistry of the body fluids, organs, and diet, etc. And then we have pathology, in which we study disease. When we are sick, what are the changes that take place in our body? We study all that in pathology. Now, we have different body systems to keep us working. The first one is skeletal system. That consists of bones. All the bones make this skeletal system. Then we have muscular system, consisting of muscles all over our body. Together, both of them help us in movement, sitting, standing, and posture. Then we have respiratory system, which consists of lungs and the associated windpipe, which is over here. And with that we have heart and circulatory system, the vessels associated with it. They help circulating blood all over our body. Then we have nervous system, that consists of brain and the nerves that are connected to it. And then we have this digestive system, which helps us in gaining energy from the food that we eat.